Overweight bothers a lot of people. Don't worry, you can learn how to use herbal tea plus exercises for weight loss. Let's explore these herbs tea. This herbal tea will help you lose weight. Recipe 1. Turmeric and tangerine peel green tea. Ingredients: 10 grams of turmeric, 10 grams of tangerine peel, 3 grams of green tea. Preparation method: wash the turmeric barks and tangerine peel. Put them into the teapot together with the green tea. Pour boiling water into the teapot with the mixture. Cover it, let it simmer for 15 minutes. Drink as tea daily. Efficacy: promoting blood circulation and qi, dispersing stasis and reducing fat. Contraindications: people with blood deficiency and blood stasis should not take it. Subscribe to our channel for more recipes and healthy lifestyle tips. If you'd like to know more herbal care and healthy lifestyles, subscribe now so you'll learn more.